beautiful people, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. But today we're gonna create 3 super easy braided hairstyles, basically updos for today for short or medium hair. So let's get started.
Because my hair is not that clean, I'll use a little bit of dry shampoo through the roots and I'll spread it well and then I'll brush it. Then I'll divide all my hair into 3 equal sections by making kind of zigzag parting, but I'm not making a zigzag parting, I'm not making just it straight. Then clip away the side sections and grabbing the top, make sure to bring your hair backwards. Grab a small section of hair, divide it into 3 and begin a Dutch braid. What means a Dutch braid? Basically, you twist side strands under the middle one. Then, before crossing side strands, you add more hair to them. And then, incorporating this hair from the scalp, you want to twist it under the middle strand. So you want to continue these steps over and over again. You grab a strand of hair from the scalp, add it to the side section and bring it under the middle one. And then again, you add 2 opposite side strands and cross it under the middle one. So want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. Then you want to pull your braid apart to make it fuller and voluminous looking. And you want to finish with a simple 3-strand braid. You want to pull it again to make it fuller and voluminous, and then grabbing a small tiny piece of strand of hair and holding it, you want to pull the rest backwards, creating this voluminous braid. You want to wrap it, creating a round shape, and pin it in place, creating this cute bun. Now guys, if you feel like your braid will fall, make sure to use some closed bobby pins like I'm showing to fix these wings of the braid in place. Now you want to grab your side section and beginning from your top of our ear like I'm showing, you want to divide it into 3 and make the same Dutch braid. And then you want to pull it apart, and then grabbing a small tiny section of hair, you want to pull the rest backwards like I'm showing, creating this voluminous messy look, and pin it in place, creating your second bun. Then you want to repeat these steps with your last section. So you divide it into 3 on top of our ear. You want to begin your Dutch braid. Finish again with a simple 3-strand braid. Find a strand of hair and pull the rest backwards. Create your third bun and your first braided updo is ready. So cute, right? Now we'll move on to our second hairstyle. We'll make a very low ponytail. I'll wrap a strand of hair around it. Using my hair elastic, I'll tuck it into the elastic the ends to hide the elastic. Then I'll grab a donut bun, stretch it and pin it underneath our ponytail. Then I'll divide my ponytail into 2, clipping one of them away for later and grabbing a nice small piece of hair from one side. You want to divide it into 3 and begin a Dutch lace braid. Basically, you add hair to the middle strand and then twist a side strand under the middle one. So again, you add hair to the middle strand and then twist side strands under the middle one. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. So this way you will have a Dutch lace braid. Guys, if you cannot understand how I'm explaining, please guys let me know in comments down below, so I'll make sure to make a basic video with Dutch braid, French braid, Dutch lace braid, and so on, because I don't know you can braid or not. So please let me know in comments down below, especially because this summer braids are so trendy. Let me know guys, so I can teach you to do all this kind of braid. So you want to repeat these steps with section left. You grab a small section of hair, but this time on opposite side, and you divide that small section into 3 equal strands and add hair as you're braiding to the middle strand before crossing under the middle one. You add hair to the middle strand and then cross side strands under the middle one. Here on this side I'm making the braid slower, and so you can see what I'm basically doing. Actually it's very easy, a little harder to understand, but actually it's very easy to recreate. So when you will finish our braid by making simple 3-strand braid and tying it with a clear elastic. Then make sure to pull a little bit created Dutch braid. Here I'll show you how you're supposed to pin in place your created bun. So basically you'll pin it a little higher than your ponytail is. Use pin and bobby pins to fix it in place. But if you have longer braids, make sure to wrap them first around the bun and hiding them under created lace braid. Yes, you're done! It looks so chic and elegant, right? Moving on to our third hairstyle, and by the way this is the easiest one. So divide all our hair into 3 equal sections. Of course parting is optional, you can make a side parting or middle parting on, or you can do this hairstyle without parting at all. So you want to make a 3 equal ponytails using 3 clear elastics. Make an opening through each of the ponytail and bring the ponytail through this opening. Pull it of course a little bit to make it fuller and voluminous top looking. Then divide these 3 ponytail into 3 sections and make a super simple 3-strand braid, tying the ends using a clear elastic. Pull it to make it fuller and voluminous looking, and then you want to just roll up your ends and pin it at the base of your ponytail a little lower, and then using grips and bobby pins you want to pin it in place so it's nice and smooth, and you're done! Chic, elegant, and so easy.
So if you liked this hairstyle, don't forget about thumbs up. Also, if you have any hairstyles or hair tutorials requests, please let me know in comments down below. So I'll make sure to make a video on your request as well. But that's it for today. Love you so much and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye!